Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2011 Volkswagen Golf, stock number 7140, November 10th, 2008 and the 3rd, 2013. Has a CFFB 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a CFFB 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 6-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory automatic tyre. Rear boot lid. Right rear 16-inch factory automatic tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front 16-inch factory automatic tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic air shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Tyre mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.